Why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home. Quiet lanes, ancient stone villages, rolling hills, and a pace of life that feels deliberately unhurried. Over the past few years, a growing number of Americans have been drawn to one particular corner of England that promises all of this and more. The shift is not loud or dramatic, but it is steady and increasingly noticeable. This video explores why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home, looking closely at lifestyle, housing, community, work, and long-term appeal, without hype, exaggeration, or myth-making. The pull of the Cotswolds lifestyle. At the heart of this movement is the everyday rhythm of life in the Cotswolds. For many Americans arriving from fast-paced urban or suburban environments, the appeal lies not in novelty, but in consistency. Days feel structured around daylight, weather, and local routines rather than constant urgency. Shops open and close with intention. Villages maintain strong identities, and walking is a normal part of daily life. This lifestyle is not about luxury in the flashy sense. Instead, it offers predictability, calm, and an atmosphere that encourages presence rather than constant motion. Another major draw is the visible connection between people and place. Buildings reflect centuries of continuity, landscapes are carefully protected, and development follows strict planning rules. For newcomers, this creates a sense of stability that feels rare elsewhere. The Cotswolds lifestyle rewards patience, routine, and long-term thinking, qualities that many Americans relocating here actively seek after years of high-pressure living. This slower pace does not mean inactivity. Rather, it allows people to be more selective about how they spend their time. A sense of community that feels tangible. Community plays a central role in explaining why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home. Villages often revolve around shared spaces such as local shops, small markets, and long-standing social traditions. While privacy is respected, people notice one another. That balance is important to newcomers who want connection without intrusion. Americans moving to the region frequently describe feeling welcomed through everyday interactions rather than formal introductions. Unlike places where social life must be scheduled, the Cotswolds encourages organic encounters. Regular walks, local events, and small-scale gatherings foster familiarity over time. This environment suits those who value long-term relationships over quick networking. Importantly, this sense of community is not manufactured for outsiders. It existed long before increased international interest, which gives it authenticity. Americans drawn to this setting often value that they are joining something established rather than something built to attract them. Property appeal and long-term security. Housing is another major factor behind the growing interest. Cotswolds properties are known for their traditional construction, distinctive stonework, and strong planning protections. For American buyers, this represents not just a home, but a long-term asset rooted in heritage and conservation. While prices can be high, the appeal lies in durability rather than rapid turnover. Homes are often restored rather than replaced, which aligns with buyers seeking permanence. Another key factor is predictability. Strict development rules mean surrounding landscapes are unlikely to change dramatically. This reassures buyers who want confidence in the character of their surroundings decades into the future. Americans relocating to the area often see property ownership here as a lifestyle decision first and an investment second. That mindset fits well with the region's emphasis on preservation over expansion. It also explains why buyers tend to be selective and deliberate rather than speculative. Work, flexibility, and location balance. The modern working landscape has quietly reshaped relocation patterns. Many Americans choosing the Cotswolds are no longer tied to daily commuting in the traditional sense. Flexible work arrangements allow people to prioritize environment without sacrificing professional continuity. The region's location supports this balance, offering access to major transport links while maintaining rural calm. This combination makes the Cotswolds appealing to those who want physical distance from intense work environments without complete isolation. Working days can be structured around home life rather than travel. The result is a more balanced routine where professional responsibilities coexist with personal well-being. For Americans accustomed to long commutes and rigid schedules, this shift represents a meaningful improvement in quality of life rather than a career compromise. Education, upbringing, and family considerations. Family life plays an important role in understanding why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home. The region's approach to childhood, schooling, and community involvement differs noticeably from more densely populated areas. Children often grow up with greater independence, spending time outdoors and participating in local activities. Parents are drawn to this environment because it feels grounded and structured without being overly competitive. Education is approached as part of a broader upbringing rather than a singular pressure point. Schools are closely tied to local communities, reinforcing continuity rather than constant transition. For families relocating from the United States, this model can feel refreshing. The emphasis on routine, responsibility, and gradual development aligns with those seeking a calmer, more consistent family rhythm. Cultural familiarity without cultural overload. One reason Americans adapt relatively smoothly to life in the Cotswolds is the balance between familiarity and difference. Language, shared historical links, and similar social frameworks reduce barriers to adjustment. At the same time, daily life feels distinct enough to offer a genuine change. This combination allows newcomers to integrate gradually without feeling disoriented. Cultural expectations emphasize courtesy, privacy, and understatement. For many Americans, this shift encourages reflection and restraint rather than constant self-promotion. Over time, this influences how people interact, plan, and prioritize. The region does not demand reinvention. Instead, it rewards observation and adaptation. That subtle transition is part of what keeps long-term residents committed rather than restless. A landscape designed for everyday living. The Cotswolds landscape is not just visually appealing, it is functional. Footpaths, village layouts, and protected countryside are designed for regular use rather than occasional admiration. Walking becomes a daily habit rather than a recreational extra. This physical engagement with the environment supports mental well-being and reinforces routine. Americans relocating often describe how the landscape changes their relationship with time. Days feel anchored by natural markers such as weather and daylight rather than digital schedules. This encourages healthier boundaries between work, rest, and leisure. The environment does not push for productivity, it supports balance. That distinction matters greatly to those seeking long-term sustainability rather than short-term escape. Stability in an unpredictable world. Ultimately, why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home comes down to stability. The region offers consistency in governance, planning, environment, and daily life. Change happens slowly and deliberately. For people seeking reassurance rather than reinvention, this predictability is deeply appealing. The Cotswold does not promise excitement or constant novelty. Instead, it offers reliability, continuity, and a sense of rootedness. Americans moving here are often motivated by a desire to build something lasting rather than chase the next opportunity. That mindset aligns naturally with the character of the region, making relocation feel less like a gamble and more like a long-term commitment. The growing interest makes sense. The answer to why more Americans are choosing the Cotswolds as their new home lies in lifestyle stability and community rather than trend or spectacle. For those seeking calm, continuity, and a grounded way of living, the appeal is clear and enduring. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.